How would you analyze this with a Raman microscope? When performing Raman analysis with a confocal microscope, samples may be too big to fit. Well, Renishaw has developed the flexible sampling arm, and this extends the point of analysis to outside the enclosure space, meaning we can analyze very large objects and integrate the Raman analysis with other experiments. Hi, my name is George and I'm an application scientist at Renishaw, and today I'll be talking about the flexible sampling arm for the inVia Raman microscope. As you can see, the flexible sampling arm is directly attached to the upright optical microscope, which preserves the high throughput and the high spatial resolution to produce great quality spectra. The arm can be installed easily and quickly. It supports the same lenses as the microscope, and it has a full motorized control. By directing the high-speed encoded stage with a trackball, we can accurately change the point of data collection and also keep the sample in focus. Due to having precise motorized control, you can also obtain small Raman maps from your samples. Go beyond the confines of your microscope with a flexible sampling arm.